Alright, this will be the elevator here at Macy's at the Altamonte Mall here in Altamonte Springs, Florida. Oh wow, look at this. The original Montgomery square button. Nice. Oh yuck. Innovation button replacement on the inside. Door close does not work. Unfortunately, the indicator is completely dead. Durable 2. We'll go up one more time to 2. Big up. Original call buttons on the original call buttons, but unfortunately on the inside, the buttons have been replaced. And now I'll end at 1. Overall, a very neat elevator, especially for a Macy store. And there it goes. And that'll be it.